Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get mods on Gorilla Tag using no PC in 2026. You can get a bunch of mods built in to Gorilla Tag. These are the secret mod menu commands such as long arms. You can unlock all weapons, spawn RPGs, get a bunch of free shiny rocks, and get aimbot and wall hacks and more, guys. So before I show you how to get these mods on Gorilla Tag, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I've been searching a long time on Google trying different mods. These mods are completely free, and this is a secret mod menu that exists in the background on Gorilla Tag, and this uses a code to unlock the mod menu that's already there. So this is no third-party app or anything like that. So, as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain your Gorilla Tag mod menu code, which you can redeem in-game, and it's going to unlock the mod menu. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. Now, I say this is a no PC method, so yeah, just use your mobile to obtain the secret mod menu code. So once you go to Crash Coupons, I recommend using the search bar and just finding the Gorilla Tag codes page, as you can see. And on this page, there's a few different codes. You can see that this has been used a ton. There's lots of like ratings and stuff like that. So scroll down, and this is the code. This is a secret Gorilla Tag code that's going to unlock access to the mod menu. And this is a mod menu that already exists, but you just need to unlock it by using the code. So it's awesome. This is no third-party download or anything. This is literally a already built-in mod menu that developers use and stuff. So as you can see, you need to unlock your Gorilla Tag mod menu code. This basically prevents people taking the 300 plus codes that are there. So yeah, what you need to do is click on this button and unlock your code by following the instructions here, guys. It is super easy. You just got to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. And these offers are basically sponsoring Crash Coupons. That's how they can supply these codes. Really easy. You just got to follow the instructions to complete 2 of these tasks. These are basically installing mobile apps and playing games and stuff like that. Really easy if you just follow the instructions. And then once you complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Gorilla Tag mod menu code will be revealed. Then you can redeem it in the enter code part in the Gorilla Tag computer. And that is going to unlock a secret mod menu, giving you tons of awesome features. This is working right now in 2026 after the recent patch as well. So go to Crash Coupons, find the Gorilla Tag codes page here, and select the mod menu code. If you need any help, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.